What are the operations and expressions in Boolean algebra? We know that Boolean algebra is a convenient and systematic way of expressing and analyzing the operations of logic circuits. To understand the Boolean algebra, we need to know certain terms. Variable, a symbol used to represent a logical quantity. For example, a, b, etc. are variables. Complement is the inverse of a variable and is indicated by a bar over the variable. The complement of a will be a bar. Literal, a variable or the complement of a variable. Example 1 and 0. Boolean addition. The Boolean addition rule is that the sum term is equal to 1 when one or more of the literals in the term are 1. It is denoted as Boolean multiplication. The Boolean multiplication rule is that a product term is equal to 1 only if each of the literals in the term is 1. A product term is equal to 0 when one or more of the literals are 0. It is denoted as. Note that the logic application of the Boolean addition and multiplication is known as gate. The gate which follows Boolean addition is OR gate. It is denoted by. The gate which follows Boolean multiplication is AND gate. It is denoted by. Now let's summarize what are the operations and expressions in Boolean algebra.